Hey, good morning, guys. I just want to show you the lawn sprinkler. Okay, I completed it last night. Oh wow, it's chilly. Wow, it's starting to get chilly, guys. So I completed the wiring. Yeah, right there. Let's switch the screen. So I completed the wiring last night, and in my first video we tested it manually. Now I'm gonna test each valve again using the web app that I built before. So wow, yeah, it's kind of chilly, starting to get chilly, guys. It's October 21, and wow, all right. Yeah, and today the seeds that I bought from United Seeds is going to arrive. It's the Super Surf. I keep on saying surf. It's the Super Turf 2. It's a tall type. It's a turf type tall fescue seed. The current the current seed that I have here is SS1000 from Seed Superstore. Unfortunately, they ran out of the product. Let's test the application. It's the one that controls each sprinkler valve. Yeah. All right, it's almost ready. This is the app. The number, yeah, the second one, yeah, the dashboard. Yeah, let's click it. All right, perfect. This is it. Let's start testing valve 1, which is the leftmost sprinkler valve there. Yeah, that one. Okay, so here zone 1 is right there, 2 is right here, 3 is right there, 4, ooh, there's an insect in my chin, and then number 5 is right there. All right, so let us test number 1. That should turn on. Okay, here, there you go, turned on. And then 2 will be, yeah, it's right here. Okay, so let's press number 2. I might get wet, so let's back off a little. There you go, it's turned on. Okay, that works. Let me turn it off, we don't need it. I was just testing each zone just to make sure it's working, right? There you go. Oh, I forgot that it is actually not overridden. So what happened is that when I turned off zone 1, it turned on zone number 2 again. So that's why when I turned off zone 2, it turned on number 3. So kind of like a bug that I need to fix. So what we'll do is we will enable the overriding, so that way we can control each valve separately. We don't have to automatically turn on the next valve. So now if I'm going to turn off zone 3, yeah, zone 3, which is this, it should not turn on zone 4. Let's see. There you go, it didn't turn on zone 4. There you go. And then let's turn off zone 2 right there. There you go, it's turned off. And now let's turn on zone 4. There you go, it's on. Yep, it's on. And then zone 5 right here. Let's turn on zone 5. There you go. Now it's a smaller sprinkler head. And then, yeah, those other first four zones that we tested, they're all running Rainbird. This one is an Orbit brand. The other 4 are Rainbird. All right, so let's turn everything off. Okay, so today I'm gonna scalp that area. I'm gonna document it, so I'll have another video later. And then going to scratch the surface, loosen up the top part of the dirt, so that way, once we put the seeds and once we press the seed against this dirt, there will be a good soil contact, because that's what we need. Currently, like, it's flat. That's not a good place for seeds. So you have to scratch it, loosen up the maybe half part of the half-inch part of the dirt. It should be loosened up. Yeah, it's kind of hard. And then I'll have to remove some of the weeds there. Yeah, there are weeds. Okay. And yeah, so this lawn here was previously a full Kentucky bluegrass lawn. Okay. And unfortunately it got damaged in, I think, 2016 or 17. You'll see the pictures. It was really bad, really bad. So the back part here, I think the only thing that survived was right there. Yeah, that part. And let me switch again. So the only thing that survived was that part. This one, yeah, maybe about 60-70% actually died. And people at aroundtheyard.com told me, oh, just wait, it will come back. So it was already like October. It was still brown. It was still dead. It never came back. For my turf type tall fescue, yeah, right there, I was really amazed. It actually survived without any maintenance. So like what I said, I've never watered them for almost like 3 years now. So I just mow it. But of course, if you do that, there's a chance of it that I'm really stressing it so much. And then, like what I said, I see some dead blades. Yeah, see those dead blades, and they are most likely a different type of turf type tall fescue cultivar. Okay, and SS1000 in the package, or in the blend, yeah, they call it blend. It has the 4th millennium. What else? 4th millennium, Avenger 2, and Raptor. The one that will be arriving today from United Seeds, I bought their Super Turf 2, which contains 4th millennium, Dynamite LS. I don't know what it is. I'm really excited. I'm really interested in getting the Triad, because it was in NTAP. It scored like the highest, and it's the very darkest cultivar of TTTF, turf type tall fescue. But you know what? Each 10 pounds costs $49. So if I get 3, that would be about $150. I don't want to spend so much on those dead spots, right? It's a small part, so maybe when I blend super turf with, oh, there's a hummingbird. Look at this right in front of me, guys. There's a hummingbird. That is so cool. That is so cool, guys. Right in front of me is a hummingbird. And with some honeybees here. I don't know if they're called honeybees. Yeah, bumblebee, sorry. But yeah, I was saying, I don't know how it's gonna look like when we mix the turf type tall fescue from United Seeds, which is Super Turf 2, right, with SS1000. Well, I wasn't worried a lot because um, Super Turf comes with Ford Millennium, which actually scored the highest in NTEP. NTEP is um, National Turfgrass Evaluation Program. That's the website I use for finding the best cultivar of a grass seeds. Yeah. So in yeah, you know what? I'm gonna talk about my first lawn renovation, which is from 2009, and the seeds I use. The type of seed that I use or type of grass is Kentucky bluegrass. Oh my God, it's extremely beautiful. It's it's more handsome than TTTF, all right? But it requires a lot of maintenance. So I'm gonna talk about my first renovation, full reno in the one I did in 2000 in a separate video. Alrighty, guys. So what's this? It looks like we have, yeah, we have here. Looks like they are back. Yeah, they're back. Um, Not a lot though this year. Um, the last time I saw them was 2013. That's a long time ago. I'm referring to those Korean bugs. Oh, sorry, sorry. Oh my God, did I say Korean? Oh my, no, I was referring to. Oh my God, no, 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 please, I'm sorry. So, I'm referring to Japanese beetles. Oh my God, that's so embarrassing. Oh my God, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Uh, you know, people in Asia, they're so weird. I just heard that long time ago. So, I mean, I saw it too from my neighbor, you know. They were cooking it along with some golden snail. I didn't eat it. I was just curious. I was just looking at it. Yeah, guys. So, all right. Let's so I'm going to go in now. So, let's turn off this. We don't need this anymore. But we've tested the sprinkler valves. They're all fine, and the web app was also fine. Okay. I'm really sorry, guys. That's it. Later.